Hi folks, and welcome back to Tam Stamps. This is Rich, and today we're going to be making card number 2 from the April box. A little bit more complicated than the first. We have some taping to do, and we'll also be using some of the hexagon foam dots as well. And we're going to find out where that triangular piece is going to go to in this project as well. Alright, like the instructions say, let's get going. These will be the things that we'll need for our project today. Not a lot, but we do have a few things. And as always, these boxes are completely self-contained. Any of the extra things I'm using, like tweezers or a adhesive dispenser, those are my choice to make it a little bit easier for me. So let's break out our banner, and hopefully, yes, I was able to get it out without tearing it once again. And these cards are great because they're a lift up for somebody who may be feeling a little bit down, or maybe just needs a pick-me-up to get them through the week. I'm having a little bit of an issue with this ink, as you can see, not being cooperative at all. My thumbnail could not split the adhesive, so I'm having to go back to the knife. And again, that box knife is there for my convenience. It definitely is not needed. Alright, we're going to dab it on there. Make sure we get a good covering on all of it, but we don't want to soak it. We don't want to soak it too much. And that's our last punch for this card. So, here we go. And that's our message for the day of this card is everything will be okay. Our stamping is done. Now we'll move on to our taping and our breakouts. So we've got 3 butterflies that are going onto this card. Small, medium, and large. And we'll also have the triangular piece that we looked at previously. And here you can see me looking around for the 3rd butterfly, and it was actually one of the large butterflies from the first breakout pattern that we used in the first card. And as with all these boxes again, you get enough supplies to make 3 of each of the 3 cards that you get in the box, so 9 total cards. Alright, so here's everything that's going to be getting some tape. A triangular piece. 1, 2, and 3 butterflies, and then of course our banner as well. And again, I'm using a tape dispenser, or actually an adhesive dispenser. It makes it a little bit easier for me than unrolling the adhesive tape that they included with the package, but it is included with the package. And in this case, each of the butterflies has a single wing, or tail wing, as it were, that is getting the adhesive because of where it's going to be sticking on the card. So it's important to look at the instructions to make sure that you are getting them right. And that's why you may see me pausing or changing the place where I'm apparently going to put the adhesive, because I looked at the instructions and went, oh, it doesn't go there, it goes there instead. All right. Time to get our final assembly going here. And this is the lovely speckled foil card base that they sent for us this time. And they kind of made it easy for me this time. I'm just having to line it up with the side and the bottom of the card, and if I do that, the rest of it will fall into place neatly, which it did. And now it's time to get the butterflies in their particular order. And they made it easy for me. They just made it small, medium, and large right in a row. That way I didn't have to think too much. And the last thing we'll be placing on the card is going to be our banner. And fold it in half. And we're ready to write our sentiments on the inside. So there you have it. That's our second card out of this box. Definitely stay tuned and pick up the video for tomorrow, because the tomorrow is a very detailed card, and it is by far the best of the box, I think, in my opinion. Let me know what you think of today's card, and once again, we appreciate you coming by and stopping to see Tam Stamps.